Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to configure your mingw setup so that you can run these policy-based data structures and which are very useful, especially in competitive programming. If you do competitive programming, then if you we typically know the data structures like available in HTL like set or map. They do not allow us to find some element by index or like that at how many elements will be less than that particular element, like typically the index. So we use these policy based data structures to kind of like compensate for that kind of properties we need. So like here, the syntax we use to define policy to use this data structure is we include these two files, and then we also include the namespace GNU PBDS. Earlier it used to be only PB, and now and then also we include this template. So this is kind of like the data structure. It is like we are using this data set as a template type name. What kind of data we'll use, int, long int, or anything like that. And then this is the comparator function. And then so like for example, if we try to use this function, this data set, so this is data set we have defined like new data set. So if I am trying to define this new data set of say I've taken say int, and I can say p, and then I can insert some elements into it, say 3, and then I can also insert other elements like 4, say 5, and 6. So if I try to find, so you can refer articles from Geeks for Geeks regarding this policy-based data structures. So policy-based data structures in C++. So you can see there are good articles in Geeks for Geeks. So see, there are two various important functions or methods for this data structure, that is find by order and find order of key. So this find by order, what it will do, it will tell us the index at which the element is located. If it is not located, then it also will tell that if it is there, then what will be the index. So like for example, in this case, if we try to output the index of period order of key, so find by order, sorry, of say 4, and then we can also try to find the order of key, which will tell us actually how many elements are less than that particular key. So we can also try this be order by key. So in this case, let us try this 6, sorry. So if we try to output this, then we'll get this kind of fatal error. So most of you guys will be getting this fatal error. So now how to resolve this error? So one thing we can do is just we can go to our mingw setup, and the error we are getting that we are not having this kind of file in directory, this resize policy import.hpp. So what we can do, actually we can go to the setup of mingw, and then after that we can go to the live, and then we can go to GCC, and then mingw.32, and then this 9.2.0 my version, and then after that we can go to the include, after that we can go C++, after that we have to go to C++, yeah, this X, and then PBDS, and then so we can see here there is one file like hash policy.hpp and associate container.hpp, which we are including here in the for using this data structure. So then we can go to the detail, and then we can go to the resize policy, and here there is one file named hash standard resize policy imp.hpp 000 000100644. So what we can do actually, we can just rename this file to up to HPP. So after that, control save. We'll try to run this. Okay. Okay. So okay, this is actually only out of key. Out of key is not declared. Okay, but why? I have to see the function p dot order of key and find by order. So p dot order of key actually. That is the error. So okay, sorry. So when we run this now it is not giving any kind of error, and for so there is actually see no order by 4 will be there because only 0 1 2 3 up to 3 index are there, so it will not give, it will give them some arbitrary integer and very long integer for this. So we can try to find say order by find by order of the second element, because that will be say in this case will be 5. So we'll try to run this. Yeah, so perfect. It was giving fine 5, and then it is giving order of key 6 at 3 because 6 is located at index 3. So this is one of the correction, and I have found this correction in this article by Code Forces by this guy Farmer Rice, and I found this really useful. The thing is, like, I put this on the video on YouTube because, like, if we try to find such kind of thing in YouTube, then we will not find this. We will find the tutorial of the introduction of PBDS. So I hope this video will be useful and to many of you guys, so that when you will search like this, how to run PBDC on Windows or anything like that, and so that you will not get the fatal error and it will run fine and smoothly, and you can use it for for competitive programming. So that's why I uploaded this video. I hope you. I have just made some, like, silly error while doing this. So I hope you will forgive me for that. And thanks everybody. Have a nice day.